Okay, so let's try to solve this question 3. We have the shape and we're asked to find the area of the shape. Like you know, this is an irregular shape. I think we have 7 centimeter here. So we have been given the side of the entire base, which is 20 centimeter. And then this part we have 8, and then here we have 15, and then here we have 7. So the best way to find the area of this kind of shape is by decomposing it. Decomposing means that you separate them into two rectangles so that you can find their areas differently. Okay, so for us to get this one, I think we should decompose from this point. Okay, from here downwards, we decompose from there. So if I'm going to decompose here, then it means that I need to find what this base is, because if I separate them, I can't take the whole 20 out. So it means for me I need to get the base of these two different points. Okay, so since the top is 8 centimeter, the bottom of this rectangle is going to be 8 centimeter as well. So for me to get this other side, I need to remove 8 centimeter from 20 centimeters to get this one here. So 20 minus 8 will give me 12 centimeters. So I'm going to now label this part A and then this one B. So for A, the area for A, which is length times width, the length here will be 15 for A, and then the width will be 8. So 15 times 8 will give me 120 centimeter square. Now let's go to B. B will give me a length and width, that's to get the area. The length will be 12 centimeter while the width is 7 centimeter. When I multiply them together, I will get 84 centimeter square. Now for me to get the total area, I need to add the two areas together. That is, total area is equal to 120 plus 84. 120 plus 84 will give me 204 centimeter squared. So that is how to get your number 3. And then any other shape that comes in this form. So you think of where you can decompose them. You can decompose them this way. You can also decompose this way. I hope you know that. You can decompose this way. If you are to decompose this way, it means that this part will be 20 centimeter. This part will be 20 centimeter. Let me put the dot so that you can see the possibility. Okay, so this shape now will be different from this shape. For you to get what this from here to here, what the measurement is, you take that of 7. 7, these two sides are supposed to be equal. That's what makes it a good parallelogram, right? So here will be 7 centimeter. Then for us to get this other part, we'll take away 7 from 15 to get this other part. So that means this other part will be 8 centimeter. So if you have 8 centimeter here, have 8 centimeter here, we can get this is actually a square. We'll get 64 centimeter here, and then we'll get another. Well, if we multiply 7 times 20, we'll have 140 centimeter. When we add them together, we'll still arrive at 204 centimeter. So I think I should just write down what I just said. So this one is the first way, method 1. So you're going to decide which of them or which of the method. I'm only doing this so that when you see questions like this in the quiz tomorrow, you will be able to do it. So this is method 1. Let me try method 2. Now I want to use this one now. So if I'm going to use this, I'm going to have something like this. Okay, this one here, and then I'll have another one down here. So because I've already decomposed it like this now. So I've decomposed it. So this will be my A and this will be my B. So remember the base will be 20 centimeter, 20 centimeter, and then the side will be 7 centimeter. Then this part, the base will be the top here, the same way it is 8 centimeter, while the side, now this is what we're talking about. If this side is 7 centimeter, it means that this side is also 7 centimeter. Now we take away 7 from 15. So if we take away 7 from 15, it means this other side will be 8 centimeter. So let's get the area for this. The area for this is length times width, which is 8 times 8, and that will give us 64 centimeter square. And then here for the B, we have it as length times width, that is 20 times 7, so we have it as 140 centimeter square. If I add 140 plus 64, I will get 204 centimeter squared. So you see that my method 2 and method 1 give me the same answer. So I just need to decide how I want to cut it out. Do I want to decompose it straight down, or do I want to decompose it this way? So whether I decompose it this way or this way, you still arrive at the same answer.